CORVETTE back at you with another video, guys. Now this one's kind of different than probably what I've done in the past. Basically it's a special because it's snowing here in Texas, and I just want to make this video just for that sake. Now it's not going to have any cars or anything in it, but just the snow and stuff that we're seeing. So just enjoy kind of the footage of all this. It's a real short video, but I'll be back to making other stuff later. But just thought I had to make a video on this just because of what's going on right now. But enjoy, guys. All right. Yeah, guys, this is crazy. We don't usually have anything like this, but it happened. Finally, I think 3 years it's been since the last time that, at least where we lived in College Station, that's where the snow came. But man, I mean, look at this. It's crazy. Look at this. You can see the vet. It's not covered, and I know some of y'all are probably, where's it? Why is it in the garage? Or where's the cover? Well, I ordered the cover and I didn't come in yet, and the garage is being used, so we'll just have to make do. It's all right. It's all right. It's not hailing or anything, so we're good. But this is this is the end result. But oh well, it's all cool. Coming from the back side of the house, I'm gonna go to the front side where you can start to see it. Ooh, look at this. Look at this. She's all covered up. That's all right. Man, look at this, guys. This is insane. This is insane, guys. Oh my gosh, guys. It's freaking snowing. Look at all this. Ah!
It's go time! Go, go, go,
Oh.
go, go, go! Oh, no.
Oh, guys, here we go. Gonna try the new GoPro.
Hello, world.
Hopefully this works.
It's thicker now. Not even hitting the ground even.
Wait, so we're going to the trail?
Yeah. That way, just walk straight down.
Lorelai, come here. Lorelai, no!
Birdhouse. See, look. That's how much snow we've had.
Oh yeah, that's a good representation.
It's about 4 inches. Yeah.
Whatever that is.
See, Dad? 4 inches.
There you go.
Oh, crazy. We're in Texas.
Texas snow.
Does Garrett have the GoPro on?
Yeah.
We just want to take a look at the snow.
Dude, look at this. It's at least 5 inches now, Dad. Maybe even 6. Oh, it's this way. So you can follow people that are walking. You see?
Yeah.
Into the unknown.
Here. Really untouched over here.
Some of those flakes are pretty big. Yeah, look at it. Very nice.
There we go.
I would say we're at a radio about 3 to 4. 3 to 4 inches of snow already, Jess.
Yeah,
Easy.
I'd say easy.
Easy. 3 to 4 inches. There's that bridge further down. We can continue walking.
Look at the bush, Jared. It's cool. There was one snowbank here that me and Eddie plopped into. I'm not exaggerating. We plopped into it and it went all the way up to here, dude.
Wow.
Like we went into it. You were down at the top of the lift?
Yeah.
Me and Eddie were like, no!
I mean, nothing's coming in the car. It's just...
Oh yeah. Nothing.
Uh-oh.
He's delivering.
It's perfect. But they want food, so they probably are. Look at your car! I just wiped off the cranberry! That means that happened in the last hour.
I'm gonna leave the car here so it's gonna.
My poor Mazda, it's all covered. It's got even more snow on it now. Ah, look at this. It's got so much on it. So much snow on it. Well guys, hope you all enjoyed the video. Just a quick little, you know, just showing the snow and stuff that was going on. That's pretty much what I wanted to make this quick video about. But like I said, I'll be back to making some more car videos and stuff. I ordered a couple new things for it and I'll do some videos over that. But hope you all enjoyed the video and seeing all the snow. Until next time, all right guys, see you later. Peace.